Hello everybody, just a quick video of a mod that I did yesterday on our new 2018 Hideout by Keystone. This model is the 28 BHS. The trailer came fully loaded with options, but no lights in the storage compartments down below. So it's bright now with the hatches open, but at night when you're getting stuff out or putting stuff away for the evening, this is total darkness, so I didn't like that. So I installed these lights yesterday. I got them from the dealer. So they match the interior lights. And I wired it up inside. I'll show you what I did up inside, but one here, and they're LEDs. So they light up nice. I put one on both sides. I store my hitch stuff on that side because it's on the driver's side of the vehicle, so makes sense. So anyways, let's go up top and I'll show you what I did to get the wire down there. There's the model, 28 BHS. So here's the front bedroom. I installed these two accent lights. Got them from Amazon. They were like 45 bucks Canadian for a pack of two. They're pretty cool. They off. You can have a blue light for a bit of ambiance, I guess you could say. And you hold the light in, or the switch in, and the light turns white. So they give a nice light at night. So this was the factory light, so when you're laying on your pillow at night, reading or whatever, you're staring up into the sun. Because it's intense, it's LED, but it's intense light. It's kind of stupid, but that's the way all campers are, most of them. So I knew that had to go. So anyways, I took this light down. This leaves a pretty good size hole you can get up inside at the wiring. And right here there's a double layer of paneling. So there's a hollow all the way down through here. Works out perfect, so you can, in the coat or in the closet, you can take this here off. You can drill directly in, just coincidence that it's in line perfectly with the gap in between. So I just took this coat rack down, coat rod, and drilled in through and tapped the wire in. This one goes down to the light, back of the light, and this other one goes down, and you can't see it there, but it goes down to the bottom of the closet. It's held in, and I drilled a hole right down through, and you saw the light, the wire outside. So it's all protected, and all is well. So when you want to watch TV at night or read a book, you're not staring into that intense light. You can have those little mood lights on, and you can watch TV or whatever. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys.